So, this is where I spent last night and most of yesterday because the weather was atrocious. It's a nice forest. I'm right in the corner here. Even from up there you can't see my tent. Pretty nice little spot. So, I've just got the coffee on. You got hot coffee to start the day. Today's looking a little bit better. Hopefully the rain will stay off for most of the day. Okay, time for coffee. Bye for now. Welcome to Thursday evening's camp spot. As you can see, I'm in the forest. I think it's some kind of conservation area or something. But it's been a very quiet day. Very, very few people out on the roads today. It's cold, it's wet. As you can see, grey sky. You'd think I was in Scotland already. Gee. So anyway, I found myself a nice little corner of the forest here. If the conditions are like they say they will be tomorrow, perhaps I'll spend the day here. It's not too bad. The roads are way over there. Over there somewhere. I'll not be seen. So, it's been kind of quiet so far. I couldn't move yesterday because the weather was really bad. So today I managed to get about 40 kilometres. Yeah, it wasn't so bad. Then the rain started. So when the rain starts, I start to look for somewhere to take shelter. This is where I found, in here. It's a bit drippy with the tree, but that's okay. That's okay. If I have to stay here tomorrow, then that's fine because it's a nice little place. Right on the edge of the forest. So, I've not long arrived, so I'm going to make myself some dinner. Have a good evening everyone, and I'll speak to you again soon. Beaver attack. Oh, hungry beavers. And I'm camped over in the trees. Over there, somewhere, in that bit. No chance of seeing me, no chance at all.